But the situation in Hyderabad is really bad. Last night I uploaded a video using an older forwarded clip as an example, and few of my friends have written that, oh, this is an old clip that you're using. What's great about it? No, it is an example that I'm using because right now the situation is like that. Huge manholes have opened up, sinkholes have developed. So be very careful. Let me show this to you. What is happening in my locality? It's flooded since 4 days. Let me show that to you. So the video that I uploaded last night, look at the bigger picture. I'm using that old video clip as an example. One moment. See this now. Completely flooded. There is no way I can get out of home. I can just jump through buildings and go from the other side. Thank you. GoPro, waterproof camera. So these are the kind of manholes that I'm speaking about. In case these are open, you will never know, and a rider can go into it with the complete motorcycle. And that was the example that I wanted to use in the yesterday's video. And you see that. This is the reason, friends. Remember last year during the Chennai floods, I made a video mentioning that you should always have food supply and drinking water supply at home, because in this kind of situations, where will you go and get your essentials from? Luckily, I have a lot of stock at home. See that? Everyone is trapped. And see these manholes. These kind of manholes can be on the road, and they can get washed out with a water flow. See the speed at which the water is moving at. And someone could be walking and they could directly go into it. And if you fall into it, it's the end. There's no way you can survive. That is what happened to that rider in that old video clip. See these. See the flow of water. Everything is flooded, and this has been on since 4 days. Careful. देख के वापस चलो मत. Careful. मेरा एक चैनल है YouTube पे. Now, for example, if someone falls into this moving stream of water, he's done. He'll not be able to swim out of it. It is flowing so fast. I gotta be careful with my GoPro also. If my GoPro falls into this, I'll never get it back. When you're shooting footage like this, it's better to tie your GoPro to your hand. YouTube. अब जो सामने आता है उसका आ जाता. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
See that, friends. That man is standing there with a kid, but it's very dangerous. भैया देख के बच्चे के साथ रिस्क है. वहाँ पे आ जाओ. वहाँ पे मत करो, रिस्क है. गिरे तो चले आते उसमें. इस पे भी मत करो. ये रिसेंटली बान है, ये टूट जाता. people are stranded completely and everything has been blocked. I've been jumping my way from that side in between these buildings and going there and making my way out, but the current situation is terrible, absolutely terrible. Video.
ఫోటో తీసుకుంటే అక్కడ కనిపిస్తావా
లే తీసుకపోయి కంప్యూటర్ లేయాలి వాళ్ళు. Kids are very interested in the GoPro session camera. See the speed at which the water is flowing, friends. Really, you know, kind of natural calamity situation.
ఒకరు మాట్లాడేది కూడా వినిపిస్తారా?
Yeah, Mike.
యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ పేరేంటి?
Vikas Rachmala, నా పేరే. Yeah. Risk है, it's very flow बहुत fast है, so yeah, यहाँ पे गिरे तो डायरेक्ट ट्रायल चले जाते. ये भी नया बाने, ये मेरे को डाउट आ रहा, नीचे बहुत स्पीड चल रहा, पानी टूट भी सकता, इतने लोग खड़े तो उसके ऊपर.
ల్యాప్టాప్ కూడా పెట్టొచ్చు కదా
Yeah. So I'm going back home now, and well, let me upload this onto YouTube. Arey, careful. This man is trying to walk across this stream of water, but very dangerous. If you fall into it, you're done. It will wash you through. You see there, people are trying to get basic drinking water and other supplies. So, okay, I think I can get back home now. You all would have seen my locality many times in my previous videos, but right now, you see that, friends, I'm getting very scared because the water level has been picking up, and it's still here now. And if it keeps rising, if this rain doesn't kind of stop and water doesn't subside, then I don't know how I'll make sure my cars and motorbikes are safe. Although it's very unlikely that the water would get till here, but we can never know what can happen. So this is very similar to what the Chennai situation was in last December, and I did extend every help possible from my side to Chennai. I sent large consignment of clothing, I made a video awareness, I gathered funds, I personally donated funds to Chennai, and okay, thank you. Said, what man? What man? What man? Say bye.
Ma?
Say bye bye.
Bye.
Said, what happened? Tell story. What a story?
Snake. One snake.
What happened? One boy, you said something. Tell again.
One boy gone in that water, no?
Hmm.
Then one snake gone and bite.
Oh my
Then he gone.
Oh my god.
Then gone like this.
Oh. Danger, no water?
Yeah.
Hmm.
See?
Hmm. Okay. We'll go inside?
Yeah.
Come.
See a aeroplane.
Come.